book a flight, get in your car, start driving. Also, the mosquitoes are ferocious.
Good morning. This place was amazing. No bears. There was another camper like, oh, there you go. Pretty far over though. So good. Now we are headed to hopefully find some hot springs, and then we're gonna go to Bend, Oregon to explore that city. See ya. Saw a sign that said Clearwater Falls, decided to see what it's about.
You can hear water gushing, so it looks like we might see a waterfall. So cool!
The sign was so small, and the waterfall is so big. It needs a better sign.
Yeah. We just saw it, pulled over. White waterfalls? I don't know, another sign. Just keep stopping, I guess.
White Horse Falls. We saw these people at the last one. They seem to know what they're doing.
They're pros.
They told us the trail to go up on the last one, so looks like we're just gonna follow them.
You made it to the next one.
Yeah, and she put on her jacket too, and you don't even need it here.
And the hits keep on coming.
So there was a map at the front, and it looks like there's 3 more waterfalls for the day. Kind of a lot of mosquitoes, but we're gonna make it.
So last night I was lucky enough to have 1 bar of service, and I was looking for a location tag for this awesome picture I took of the stars, and I typed in Umpqua Forest and Umpqua Hot Springs popped up. So I was like, what is that? Looked at it. I said, I want to go do this. So we're literally just driving. We don't have service. All we have now is our downloaded Google Maps, and every single like 3 miles there's another waterfall. So I think that we were just gonna drive towards these hot springs and stop at every brown sign that says falls that we can see.
This is how it usually goes.
What is it?
Brandon sees a brown sign and then slams on the brakes. And then he usually almost misses the turnout.
Typical preparations.
2 bites already. The mosquitoes are ruthless out here.
Oh my God! Holy cow! So obviously we don't have cell, and we have no idea what we're doing. We're just pulling off, but we're walking across this bridge, and this waterfall in particular has a steep incline, and we were honestly thinking about turning around, and we saw this majestic, tall, lean waterfall falling from the highest rocks up here. So now we're gonna keep going all the way to the top.
He's
I
soaking
was
wet.
standing underneath and a whole cascade came and billowed on me. I'm soaking from head to toe. This is one of the most amazing places I've ever been. Come here, do this. Today is literally a nothing day for us. We were just supposed to be going to Bend so that Alyssa can edit a video. And now we're standing underneath a 200-foot waterfall just because we stopped at the brown sign.
That's so cool.
Legendary. Is that one of the coolest things you've ever seen?
Yeah, and I thought that it was done down there.
Yeah, it looks so cool at the bottom.
Are you crying, sweating, or what?
Elation is what I'm experiencing right now. I cannot believe that we found this place for like no reason.
So we made it to the hot springs. It's $5 per vehicle. This is weird. It's
Quite
hot.
the experience. Yeah, there's multiple pools here, multiple temperatures, clothing optional.
It's so hot. I think I don't like hot springs.
There was a lot of nudity, a lot of mosquitoes, but also a lot of really awesome hot jacuzzis.
There was so many different pools, so it was cool. Like you didn't have to sit with anyone.
If hot springs and waterfalls are your thing, this is definitely a spot for you.
Umpqua.
Umpqua. Also, unlike that dip in Crater Lake, we will definitely need a shower after this one.
Now to Bend, Oregon.
This was an awesome
Add-on to the day. Like we had no idea that we were going to do this. We were
Yeah.
just going to leave Crater Lake and go to Bend.
Yeah, crazy. If you're going to Crater Lake, definitely add this Umpqua National Forest to the list.
For sure. Because Crater Lake's kind of small. You can do both. But if you want to make a trip out of it, it could easily be a like 3-day cool camping trip.
Hot springs, waterfalls, lakes. Boom.
Let's go drink. Don't forget to subscribe to see where we go next.